arrived at school this morning to find that my students had left me this cryptic word puzzle on the whiteboard. It took me a little while to solve it, but I soon realised the answer was man overboard, an expression used when someone has fallen from a boat into the water. But how does it work? Well, in this puzzle, we need to look at the relative position of the words to find the answer. Notice that the word man is positioned above or over the word board. That is, man is over board, or man overboard. This type of puzzle is called a rebus, and they're a great way to develop those creative thinking skills by playing with language. So, what's the best way to solve a rebus puzzle? Well, it kind of depends on the puzzle itself, but here's a few things to keep in mind as you weave your way through the wordplay. Also, don't worry, we've got a handful of puzzles for you to solve at the end of this video. Number 1. Position. Observe the relative position of words and images in the puzzle. Prepositions such as in, on, above, below, over, and under are really common in rebus puzzles. The answer to this rebus, for example, is just in time, because the word just is placed in the word time. Number 2. Size. Similarly, the size of words and images can also provide clues. The word fry, written in tiny letters, gives the answer small fry. And the word deal, written in large letters, gives us the answer a big deal. Number 3. Direction. Also pay particular attention to the direction of words in rebus puzzles. If a word runs vertically, it probably includes the word up or down in the answer, such as this rebus with the answer buckle up, and this one with the answer broken down. Words running in the opposite direction will usually have the word back or backwards in the answer, such as this rebus with the answer flashback. Number 4. Colour. Now, if your rebus has a pop of colour, heads up, it's probably a clue. The answer to this rebus is red flag. And this one is green thumb. And number 5, style. It's also important to look at the style of the words and images used. Is the writing crossed out, as it is in this rebus with the answer fingers crossed? Is the image broken, as it is in this rebus with the answer broken banana? Nah, just kidding. It's banana split. So these are just some of the ways to solve rebus puzzles. If you're really stuck, sometimes saying the words or describing the images out loud can help to create some associations you might have missed. So, as promised, here's a collection of riveting rebus puzzles for you to solve on your own or in a group. Good luck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Hey there! If you like what we do here at Teach Wonderful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll also find plenty of amazing teaching ideas, student worksheets, and merch over at teachwonderful.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.